Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix the disappearing glitch in Toca Life World. Let's begin. Now, if you haven't already, download the Toca. So these are your options. For iOS users, click on the App Store. For Android users, click on the Google Play, and it is also available on Amazon App Store. And by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, fixing the disappearing glitch in Toca Life World is very important for enhancing the user experience, because glitches like characters or items disappearing can be frustrating for some players, impacting their enjoyment of the game. Because as we all know, glitches can disrupt the intended gameplay and functionality of the game, because players should be able to interact with all elements of the game as intended by the developers. Now, how do we address and fix the glitches promptly here? All you have to do is go here. Okay, so once you are here, all you have to do is just follow these simple steps, alright? Click on the door icon in the upper left corner. And from there, you would be able to see the home screen, alright? And from here, all I have to do, just wait for it a little bit. Go to the door icon again. And you need to click on the home button here in the upper left corner. And once you do that, what will happen is you would be given this option. Just click on it. And you have this option that says, click on the circling arrow at the upper right. It says reset to world, alright? Now, when you reset that, what will happen is, now once your world is reset, all you have to do is just click on the play button again. And for you to be able to enjoy again the game. And that's how you fix the disappearing glitch in Toca Life World. And again, all you have to do is click on the home button. Right? And you should be able to see the reset option at the upper right. And once you do that, just click on the play mode again. Now, if by any chance you are having problems fixing the disappearing glitch in Toca Life World, I suggest you do this instead. Go to Toca support, right? And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions. Okay? So just tell them that you are having problems fixing the disappearing glitch, and you can put all the information here, all right? And one of the customer support staff will be more than glad to assist you in fixing the disappearing glitch in Toca Life World. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.